especially if it's you.
All right. But only a small part. Just focus. Are you ready? Okay.
It's overwhelming.
Focus. Don't lose control.
I can feel it. It's like the world is listening.
That's because it is.
Walker gave Elishaba a piece of his power, the same power that could create life or end it forever.
I'm tired.
Sorry. Can you take it off?
You good? Elishaba, promise me something.
What is it?
I want you to be careful with it. And be careful with yourself too.
I promise I will.
Oh, Elishaba, the girl Walker created. Oh, Elishaba, Walker's heart you captivated.
Elishaba, I was looking for you. What's wrong? Hey, be careful with that. Give it to me. Elishaba, what is coming over you?
Now tell me the truth.
About what?
Were you ever going to destroy me?
Elishaba, no. I will never do that.
You created me, which means you can erase me whenever you want.
Elishaba! I think something is wrong.
Yes.
Listen to me. I can never do that to you. I will never do that. Not to you.
How can I believe that?
Because you know me.
Do I?
Elishaba, you are not just something I made. You matter to me.
Then why do I feel like I can disappear at any moment?
It's because you are afraid. Not because it is true.
Will he ever destroy me? Not now, but what about later? Power changes people.
You look nice to do that.
You mean I should be careful around?
That's exactly what I'm saying. You should be careful.
He created you. This means he can only make you just as easily.
I created you to love me, not to watch you walk away, not to feel your hand against me as my world.
Elishaba used Walker's own power against him. Champion and Yusuf tried to stop her, but it was too late.
I was. Now I'm fading in the silence, destroyed by the one I love. Now you're crying in the ashes, calling out my name too late.
Walker fell to his knees, heartbroken, not because he was dying, but because the woman he created to love him had chosen to destroy him.
I created you to love me, not to be the cause of my grave. Now we're both gone with the shadows, and nothing can be saved.
I'm sorry. Walker. I'm sorry.
Alicia.
I thought you would take everything from me.
I gave you everything, so that you won't feel alone. Alicia. You betrayed me.
Please wake up.
Walker! Walker, what have you done?
Walker, please.
What have you done? Walker! Walker!
Walker, I'm
Walker.
so... Please, Walker. Walker.
Walker, you trusted her. I still do.
Walker, please. I'm sorry.
Walker! 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 Please stay with us! You killed him!
Walker, please wake up. Walker, I'm sorry.
Walker!
Walker, listen. Listen. Hey. Walker, listen.
Walker! Walker!
Walker!
Walker!
Walker, please come back.
Holy Shabbat, the girl Walker created, but you betrayed me. Oh, Elishaba, Walker still loves you, Elishaba. Why did fear change you? Walker gave you his soul. Now Walker fades for you, Elishaba. Walker still calls your name, even through the pain, even through the rain. Soft string emotional pulse. Walker forgives you, Elishaba. Walker forgives you, even at the end. Walker still loves you. You betrayed Walker, but Walker still loves you. The girl Walker created, Elishaba. Walker is fading now, but Walker's last breath still whispers, Elishaba, Elishaba, Elishaba.
What have I done?
You survived.
I should have trusted you, Walker. I'm sorry. But I don't want you, mommy. Please come back.
moment Walker died, everything he had ever created began to collapse. The world he built started to crumble. His creations began to disappear.
Catalina, what's happening to the world?
It's ending.